If you want to free up storage, clean up your phone, or simply remove an app you no longer use, this quick Android tutorial will show you exactly how to uninstall an app on Android in the fastest way possible. Whether the app is on your home screen or tucked away in the app drawer, the process is super simple once you know where to tap. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Android tutorials just like this one. Let's jump straight into it. The fastest method is to start from your home screen or your app drawer. First, find the app you want to remove. You can look for it directly on your home screen, or if you can't see it there, swipe up to open the app drawer and locate it from the full list of installed apps. Once you've found the app, press and hold the app icon for about a second. After that, a small menu should appear on the screen. In that pop-up menu, look for the option that says Uninstall. This is the option you want because it removes the app completely from your device. Now, here's something important to watch out for. Sometimes you may only see remove instead of uninstall. If that happens, it usually means you're just removing the shortcut from your home screen, not deleting the app from your phone. So if you only see remove, keep looking for a trash can icon or the actual word uninstall before tapping anything. When you tap uninstall, your phone may ask you to confirm the action. This is normal. Just tap OK to finish the process. Your Android device will then remove the app, and in a few moments it should disappear from your phone completely. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled an app on Android using the quickest method available. This is the easiest way to clear space, reduce clutter, and keep your phone organized without going through extra settings. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple Android tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.